Hello friends, I am Professor Yasar Shinde, working as Assistant Professor at Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. First, I welcome you all to my channel, Sharing Knowledge of Agriculture. Today, we are going to discuss on a very important topic, that is crop water use efficiency. So let us start our topic. So friends, first we see what is the meaning of crop water use efficiency. It is the ratio of crop yield to the amount of water depleted by the crop in evapotranspiration and water used for metabolic activity. Crop management practices to improve water use efficiency are like time, depth, and pattern of sowing, use of anti-transpirants, use of growth retardants. So let us see time, depth, and pattern of sowing. Timely sowing, optimum depth of sowing, and optimum plant population favors maximum crop yield, and which also helps in increasing water use efficiency. In case of use of antitranspirants, substances like phenyl mercuric acetate, abscisic acid, kaolin reduces transpiration by inhibiting stomatal openings. Use of growth retardants, substances like cytosol, when applied to the plant, reduce their vegetative growth and help to increase water use efficiency. Next is use of mulch. Mulches are used mainly for soil water conservation, then control of weeds, which also reduces soil temperature and helps to add organic matter to the soil and thereby influences the crop yield and water requirement. Next crop management practice to improve the water use efficiency is use of shelter belts. Taller shelter belts helps to trap a hot wind, which helps to reduce evapotranspiration from the cropped area. Then soil moisture supply. Limited amount of water can be the best appropriate way to obtain maximum crop water use efficiency by irrigating the crop at its critical growth stages. Next crop management practice to improve water use efficiency is method of irrigation. Water use efficiency is always higher with sprinkler and drip irrigation methods than surface methods of irrigation. Next is fertilizer application. Water use efficiency can be increased by application of optimum dose of fertilizer on deficit soil under adequate soil moisture condition as they increase the yield. Next crop management practice to improve the water use efficiency is weed and their control. Basically, weeds compete with crop plants for moisture, nutrient, and light, and also reduces the yield. Therefore, control of weed is essential to reduce the losses due to evapotranspiration and to increase water use efficiency. The water utilization by crop is generally described in terms of kg per hectare centimeter or quintal per hectare centimeter. It can be defined by the following ways. First is crop water use efficiency and second one is field water use efficiency. Crop water use efficiency is the ratio of crop yield, that is capital Y, to the amount of water depleted by the crop in the process of evapotranspiration. As formula, we can say that water use efficiency is equal to Y divided by ET. Second one is field water use efficiency. It is the ratio of crop yield to the total amount of water used in the field, that is WR. As formula, we can say field water use efficiency is equal to Y divided by WR. Here are some factors for improving crop water use efficiency. Crop water use efficiency is influenced by crop and soil management practices. The denominator in the formula, that is evapotranspiration, is difficult to control by man because It is so dependent on the heat of the physical environment and the availability of the water. However, to some extent, it can be minimized by adopting various management practices. The crop yield, that is numerator, can be increased by selecting plant species of different crops adopted according to climate, soil, and water availability. After selection of the crop, adoption of improved agronomic practices, wise sowing of crop at optimum time, at proper spacing, depth, adoption of optimum seed rate, etc. So friends, this is all about crop water use efficiency. I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.